Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy A55. Its launch on March 2024. The Samsung Galaxy A55 dimension 6.34 inches, width 3.05 inches, thickness 8.2 mm and the weight is 213 grams. And the build, the front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of this device, it comes with Super AMOLED display and the screen size is 6.6 inches. The screen to body ratio is 85.8%. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 1000 nits peak of brightness. The protection is Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and the platform of this device, it comes with Android 14 and the chipset is Exynos 1480 and it comes with octa-core Cortex A78 CPU. The GPU is X-Clip 530 and the memory it comes with 6GB, 8GB, 12GB of RAM and 128GB, 256GB ROM with micro SD card. The camera of this device it comes with triple camera sensor. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel micro and it supports 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 32 megapixel and the selfie camera records 4K 30 fps video. The battery of this device it comes with 5000 mAh battery and a charging 25 watt wired, no wireless charging and no reverse charging. It has many features: Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 3.1 and IP67 rating. The price of this mobile, it comes with $400.